Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to install HP app. This app is what you need to be able to connect your HP printer with your mobile device. What you need to do is you need to go to Play Store, depending on the phone you are using, or App Store. This app is free. So go to Play Store. My phone is Android. Then search HP app. HP app. Select on it. This is the app. Install it on your mobile device. So the app is free. What you need is HP app. You can see that is installing. Sometimes it takes a bit of time to open or to install. Another thing you can do is if it's taking a long time, then you can go back. If you go back to the app, and this is the app here, HP app. So select on it. Allow HP. Select yes. So the app is opening up. And from this app, once you open, then you select plus to add a printer. If you are connecting your printer for the first time, then you select set up a new printer. If it's a printer that is already connected to a network, then you select choose an available printer. So if you select set up a new printer, it will ask you how do you want to connect the printer, Wi-Fi setup or Ethernet. Then you select Wi-Fi setup, then select continue. It will search for the printer once you have the printer within the environment or within the vicinity. So this is how to install HP app on your mobile phone. Now I want to show you how to install this app to your PC. You need to search on your PC Microsoft Store. You start, then select Microsoft Store. Then go on top and search HP Smart app. So on the laptop, you need to search HP Smart app, while on your mobile phone, you need to search HP app. This is the app you need to be able to connect all your HP printer. This is HP Smart on Windows or Mac. This is what you need to search, and it is free. While on your mobile device, you need to search for HP app, which we have done already. So select install. So it's installing. So the best way to do this is go to Microsoft Store and select HP Smart app, or sometimes they will ask you to type 123.hp.com and it will still take you to this app. Select open. This is the app, is getting ready. Select yes. Then you need to select accept. Then it will show you this app, set up a new printer, or sign in or skip. So if you want to set up a new printer, then you select set up a new printer. So it will ask you to allow location, then select continue. Select yes to your location. And once you allow your location and the printer is in a wireless mode, you will find the printer on the screen. It's going to search for printers. When the printer available, then you need to select on that printer to continue. So this is how to install this on your laptop. You can see it's showing us printers, but this one is offline USB. So it will show you printers available, but this particular one is offline. It was the printer that I connected previously with a USB cable. But if you connect the printer via Wi-Fi network or whichever method, it will show you that particular printer. Then you select on it and proceed. Once you select on it, it will ask you to put Wi-Fi password, how to install HP app.